So, here are some suggestions for the spocs of newly established local chapters on what you might want to do, how you would like to do awareness within your college, how do you start off work on NPTEL certification courses because you're just about becoming a local chapter, and how do you, capitalize on the experience of other local chapters which have been with us for a couple of years. So, one of the things we will say is identify the local chapters that have been very active with NPTEL in the last say 2 or 3 years and invite their spocs to your college to come and give talks, address your students, address your faculty on how they have been operating within their college. It will give you a good idea of what mechanisms you can also put in place to see that your students learn well from NPTEL certification courses. And this we have been discussing a lot, I think, but just to kind of reiterate this, go in for soft skill courses and English courses as the first course for your students if you are just starting off with NPTEL. Try programming courses if they are skilled enough, or if they do not learn programming, maybe you should do programming courses from NPTEL. They are not easy, the pass percentages are not very high, but students have to put in time and effort and then they do very well in programming courses. The other courses we would recommend are skill based courses such as data science, IoT, ML, etc., that any stream, any discipline, any student can actually try and do. And then the motivated students, the interested learners, those who are aspiring to do higher education if they are in the UG program currently, you can put them on the pathway for domains. So, if they have like 4 or 5 semesters ahead of them, you can start them off from the second semester and they can start doing courses which come under a particular domain. This will be really valuable for them, that they will have a domain certificate as they are also graduating from your college. And students writing GATE exams, you can also tell them about the GATE portal that we have and see whether they can use it. Okay. The other suggestion we had said, try for rerun courses. Don't go in for new courses immediately the first time that you are doing courses from your local chapter. So, try rerun courses. Appoint mentors, the faculty as mentors, so that they can monitor the students' progress and also nudge them, motivate them to complete courses and submit assignments. Like I said, you can also have periods in the timetable in the week where students actually are given time by the college to also do NPTEL courses. So, they can be taken to the library, or maybe they sit and watch in their class, they watch together, they solve together, whatever be the model or modality. But give some time from the college timetable itself for students to study NPTEL courses. And most important, the NPTEL exam dates are fixed for even 2024 already. We have published it on our website. So, go through the exam dates we have and ensure that there are no other activities happening in the college for the students and faculty around these dates. Please keep these exam dates clear so that they can go and write the exams and get certified from NPTEL courses. If there are university exams, please also tell the authorities that NPTEL exams are there being taken for credit transfer, and better to avoid these dates for any other university activities or university exams.